Redbubble is still a great platform for artists who want to make money from their designs. But to be successful on Redbubble doesn't mean you need to be a gifted designer. In my experience, you will make more sales and money when you start designing smarter. What do I mean by this? Before you create a design, do research, find what the customers are searching for and buying, and create a design around the niche or keywords you find. So in this video, I will show you how can you find niches without paying for tools for free. But before we get right into the video, if you are new to the channel, then subscribe, because on this channel I like to talk all about realistic ways to making money online and really showing you my journey along the way to creating a side hustle. Let's go back to the Redbubble. Redbubble has hundreds of thousands of artists and millions of designs, and if you want to be found on this platform, keywords are a must. Redbubble is using its own algorithm, and finding trending keywords is relatively easy. The simplest way to find what is trending on Redbubble is just by clicking inside the search box. Just click in the search box and type a letter, and you will see trending searches. While you can continue with this strategy and type another letter and look for a new search term, what if I'll tell you that it is even easier? Yes, you can use a free tool called Redbubble Popular Tags. This is a completely free tool that can be used to boost your sales on Redbubble. While the biggest downside of this tool is that it is updated only once a week, so the information is not the most accurate, it is still a free method to find a profitable niche and start selling design in such a niche. And you can always take advantage of this tool and get here on Monday, right after the update, and be among the first to find something interesting. Let's take a closer look at this tool. To get access to more information, I recommend changing the number of showing entries to the maximum. This little change can save you a ton of time. As you see, there are 4 columns up here. And let me explain what each of the columns means and why they are so important for us. The first is popularity, which is showing the most popular item on Redbubble. In other words, the number 1 is the value of the most searched product on the entire site. The next column is also a popularity, but it shows the change over the last week. If you click it, you can sort keywords by popularity. The red color for tags or siege keywords that have lost popularity, and the green color is for those who gain popularity. The third column is for results, and in my opinion, it is the most important thing you should focus on. The last one is for results again, but it indicates the change over the last week. The red color in this column usually means how many designs have been removed by Redbubble or from designers. As I already mentioned, the third column is the most important for us. Go ahead and sort the values in ascending order. When I'm looking for a profitable tag or keyword, I like to find a keyword with less than 1000 results. In my experience, such a keyword is less competitive, and it is relatively easy to create a design that will show up on the first page. So if you find a keyword with a low number of results, take a look if it is gaining in popularity. If it's something that meets all criteria, then check what it actually is. See if it is something you can create a good design for, and always make sure it is not copyright infringement or intellectual property theft, because you don't want to get yourself in trouble and get banned from Redbubble or any other print-on-demand platform. When you scroll down the website, you can see that it's showing 1 to 100 of 10,000 entries. This is a lot of information to work with, and you can definitely find something that you are interested in. This method can give you a huge advantage over most people who are using Redbubble for selling their art. And the last thing at the end, for consistent sales, it is always better to create design for evergreen niches. At least 80% of your work should consist of evergreen designs, and just 20% should be trends. Even though focusing on trends can be a quick income, I think it is an illusion in most cases. While trends can earn you money fast, it's not going to last due to the competition and spamming. If you want to be successful with print on demand, try to focus on lower competition phrases and develop a long-time strategy. Remember that selling on print on demand websites takes time and patience. Most people have to wait a few months before they get the first sale. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the Nech Empire YouTube channel.